Today I want to show you guys this table tennis we've been using around 9 years now, and it is really good, very stable table, and it has two different sections. As you can see here, this is one section. You can easily just take this and it folds as well. Once you unlock this, you would be able to just flip this over, and you can see it has this built-in wheels so that you can easily move around, or you don't have to worry about lifting both of it at the same time. This just one single panel. You can just easily use it. And another nice feature, if you are a solo player, you would be able to just pull this up and stay like a wall, and you would be able to just play solo. That is really nice, cool feature. So the net didn't come with it. It's been, as I mentioned, very long time. We had to replace the net multiple times, but so far this is the best net. You can see this is a snapper from the same brand. As you can see, once you put it together, it also holds the both sides at the same time. You can see it just keeps the gap like almost minimal, and it works really well. And you can see it doesn't take too much space. We have this, it's been staying here, and if you have some occasions, you can easily like fold and push it away. We usually do that and put it over there on the corner in the event of some special gatherings. You can see very easy to just lock this and unlock it as well. So really cool unit. I hope you guys found this useful.